Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. May I know who is recording it?
Sir, Shashank, sir.
Okay. Which is this? Some other different file I have uploaded. Wait a second. I did some mistake.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning. How many are there now?
Sir, 11, sir.
11. Please message your friends to log in quickly. I'll just continue with the next one. I think some 3 or 4 problems are remaining. This we did. Okay, this we need to supposed to. Yeah. Copy this. Please copy this problem. Hello.
Copying, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Who is recording it?
Shashank, sir.
Okay, Shashank, please record it and then send me the link.
Okay, sir.
Please copy the link. It's a simple problem. It's a very simple problem. You can do it on your own. 5 into 2 power x plus 3 minus 7 into 2 power x plus 3 divided by 2 power x plus 1 plus 6 into 2 power x. And 1 second, you have any? No, this is the one. Yeah, copy this. The answer is minus 2. Good morning, Priti. Good afternoon, Priti. Please copy this and solve. Copy the problem. A simple one. Can you do it on your own?
Sir, we'll try, sir.
Okay. Do. And kashta illa, easy ಇದೆ, simple one. Five ನಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 power x plus 3 ನ 2 power x into 2 power 3 ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m into a to the power of n. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ RHS ಇಂದ LHS ಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Some minute variation in the problem, a small variation. LHS ಇಂದ RHS ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ RHS ಇಂದ LHS ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ and we'll solve it. That is the only change. Please continue. You have any questions, please ask me. Done? Nagadanush, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, put it in the chat box. Send me the image. Can we explain this, how we have solved? Nagadanush?
Yes, sir. I can do it, sir.
Yeah, please explain it. Come live. Switch
Sir,
on
in
your
the
camera, switch on your radio, switch on your video, come live and explain it.
Sir, I'll just explain, sir.
Okay, done. Do it.
Sir, in the first step, we have given x plus 3 according to the second law, sir.
Okay.
So it becomes 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3. See,
Beautiful. Good.
we have done same to 7 into 2 to the power x plus 3, the same, sir.
Yeah.
In the denominator also, we have done to, the same to the 2 to the power x plus 1.
Okay.
In the second step, we are taking 2 to the power x as common in both the terms, sir. 5
Fine.
into 5 into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3, we taken as one term, and
Okay.
7 into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3 we are taking as another term.
Yeah.
So we are taking in both of these as 2 to the power x as a common term.
Mm-hmm.
So we are taking to it in the same in the denominator also we are doing the same, sir. 2 to the power x as common.
Yeah.
So
That's
according
it.
to the
You
fifth
can
law,
directly cancel it, or you can do a power m divided by a power n formula. That
yes,
x
sir.
minus x becomes 0. 2 power 0 is equal to 1, and rest is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Anybody, any questions? Anyone,
sir.
any questions? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sumed? Sumed ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Sumed is not there. Okay. I'll move on to the next one. Write down this. There are two problems here. Simplify fourth root of a cube and then into root of a. You simplify this. Write down this problem. First one. Take the first one. Write the first one. Fourth root of a cube, and within that there is one more that is called as root of a. Root within the root. Root within the root. Okay, this also you can do it on your own. Okay, if you need any assistance, please ask me. Take my help. Do you need my assistance? Anyone? All these questions are for 5 marks. Got it? A small problem, man. You're taking more time. Anybody got the answer?
Yeah, the first problem got, sir.
Please put it in the chat box. Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Preeti, can you explain the first problem? Preeti, come live. Unmute yourself. Tell me what you have done.
First, we take out the first square root. So it will
Okay.
become 1 by 2. A to the power 3 square root 1 by 2. So after taking the first square root, we'll take out the second square root too.
Okay.
And then we'll simplify it like a to the power 3. That one will multiply with 1 by 4. So
Okay.
we'll get a to the power 3 by 4 into, and then we'll do 1 by 2 and 1 by 4.
Yeah.
Multiply that. So we'll
Okay.
get a to the power
You
3
tell
by 4.
me. No. The multiplication, everything is fine. You tell me which law which law you're applying.
So the first, second.
A power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 4 you have multiplied. That's fine. Tell me which law you have applied. A power
So-
m rise whole power n. A power mn. That is the law you apply. I think fourth law.
Yes, sir. First, second, third, fourth law, sir.
Yeah, fourth law you applied.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
continue.
So after that, we'll have to do the LCM, sir, because we have a to the power 3, 4 and a to the power 1 by 8. So when we do the LCM, we can get the simplified answer, that is a to the power 7 by 8.
That's it. Fine. Very good. Very good, Priti. Anybody, any questions? First one. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ. Hello. Go to the second one. Similarly, you will get the answer as 1 for the second one. Okay, this is Anusha. Fine. You have any specific questions? Needs to be clarified?
No, sir.
Any specific questions needs to be answered? Go to the second one then. Continue. A to the power of x divided by a to the power of y whole raised to the power of x plus y into a to the power of y divided by a to the power of z whole raised to the power of y plus z into a to the power of z divided by a to the power of x whole raised to the power of z plus x. The answer is 1. Good. I think Priti already solved it. Priti, I'll give I'll give this time somebody else the chance of explaining it. Okay. You have done it already once. Okay, I'm waiting for the who is going to give the next answer. Nagadanush, no, send me the answer. Send me the answer, Nagadanush.
Sir, I have sent the answers.
You got the answer. Where it is? I'm not received.
So before Preeti, sir.
Before Priti. Okay. Now I'm received. Yeah. Can you explain this? Please explain me what you have done.
Sure, sir.
Explain to me, explain to your friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it.
Yes, sir. This actually this problem has been solved with the first step in the using the third law.
Okay.
That is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power m minus n.
Very
So
good.
similarly, the other two also have been done in the same rule, same
Okay.
law, and
Okay.
also now it has been simplified into a to the power x square. So that is multiplying that x minus y into x plus y. That gives us a to the power x square minus y square.
Yeah, yeah, very good. Okay.
And also a to the power y square minus z square into a to the power z square minus x square. So
Okay.
similarly, the addition and the subtraction, similar alphabets get cancelled each other, and the answer gets to a to the power of 0. That is, according to the first law, a to the power of 0 is always 1.
Yeah,
So that is
that's it. See, apart from the laws of indices, we are using one algebraic identity here. Algebraic identity. Algebraic identity, that is a minus b into a plus b. It's a very famous identity, and you all know what is this. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Correct? Similarly, x minus y into x plus y is x square minus y square. And similarly, it goes on. And as you said, the plus and the minus sign things gets cancelled. And you are left with a to the power of 0, and that is equal to 1. Any questions? Any questions?
no, sir.
These things are very simple, man. Very simple. Or you need to you need to use bit of your brain. That's it. A bit of brain is required. That's it. A very bit of it. You can easily do. You can easily solve. Shall I move on to the next one? I'll just complete this portion today, and I'll move on to the next one from the next class. I have some more another 8 or 10 problems remaining in the next slide. I have some links I have taken from the Google, and these links carries some typical problems, and you are supposed to solve them. I am not going to solve, and you need to solve and give the answer. Shall I go to the next one?
Sure, sir. Good.
Yes, sir.
Ellaru madidira? Hello, all of you done this? Only if you are replying, I don't know about the rest.
Yes, sir.
All of you have done the
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. We are solving.
you are solving. Then take some 5 minutes time.
No,
Okay,
sir.
I
We are
need all
solving.
of you to put send your answers to the chat box. All of you are doing it. What about Muhammad? Have you sent the answer? Have you sent the answer? Have you shared the answer? Muhammad, Rajwal Kiran, Priya, Vishwas. There are only 19 people. Only 19 are there in the list. Chaitra did it. Good. Vishwas, send me your answer. ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ರೋ. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to practice. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay, maybe some problem with the data, Vishwas. Good. I'll go to the next one. Take this. Write down the problem. Write down the problem. X to the power of b plus c divided by c minus a whole raised to the power of 1 by a minus b. There is some problem here in this. I don't know. A my 1 by b minus c, b plus c divided by c minus a into a minus b into b plus c. And I doubt there is some problem in the question. I'm not clear. I doubt whether this is 1 by a minus b or 1 by a minus b. Hello? Please wait
Yes,
a
sir.
minute. Please wait a minute. Skip this problem. There is some problem in this. Don't take the first one. Take the second one. Take the second one. There is some problem here. There is some confusion. There is some confusion in the data. Skip it. Okay, I'll try to rectify it maybe later point of time. Okay, I doubt there is some writing error here in this. I hope so. Okay, it will not cancel just like that. There is some problem here in this. Go to the next one. M is equal to a to the power of x, n is equal to a to the power of y, and m to the power of y and n to the power of x, and whole to the power of z is equal to a to the power of z. That you need to prove. Sorry, a to the power of 2, not z. Then show that xyz is equal to 1. I repeat it again. M is equal to a to the power of x, n is equal to a to the power of y, and m to the power of y into n to the power of x whole to the power of z is equal to a square. Is equal to a square, a to the power of 2. Then prove that xyz is equal to 1. Please write down this and solve it. Prove that xyz is equal to 1. You need to prove copy this. last step is a to the power of 2xyz is equal to a to the power of 2. And if you equate the powers as the bases are same, you will get 2xyz is equal to 2. 2 and 2 you can cancel, and last is xyz is equal to 1. That's the last 2 or 3 steps. Till then you need to simplify.
Sir, I did not understand the fourth step, sir.
Where? Which one?
Fourth step, a to the power 2xyz is equal to a square.
A to the power of xyz.
2xyz.
A to the power of 2xyz is equal to a square. You did not understand.
No, sir.
Yeah. Look there. A to the power of xy into a to the power of xy whole raised to the power of z. You got that point?
Yes, sir. I got that, sir.
Yeah. If you say a to the power of xy into a to the power of xy, that becomes a to the power of 2xy. X plus xy
Yes,
plus
sir.
xy. Xy plus xy, how much you'll get? 2xy.
2xy.
Yeah. A to the power of 2xy whole to the power of z.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. XYZ. Anusha T. Got it. Anusha, you need to explain it now. You are the first one who did it, and you need to explain this how you have solved. Very good. Anusha, you are there listening? Please unmute yourself and tell us how we have solved it. Please explain to your friends. Anusha. Anusha, unmute yourself. Anusha is not replying. Deepak,
Yes,
you're
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡು.
So, yes, sir. In the condition they have given m is equal to a to the power of x, n is equal to a to the power of y,
Okay.
and we need to prove that x, y, z is equal to 1.
Yeah.
So we are considering the LHS, that is m to the power of y into n to the power of x whole to the power of z
Yeah.
is equal to a to the power of 2. Here we are converting the given question. There is m is equal to a to the power of x, and
Yeah.
also n to the power of n is given as a to the power of y.
Okay.
So now it becomes a to the power of x whole to the power of y into a to the power of y whole to the power of x.
Very good. Beautiful. Yes, continue. Yes. Yeah.
Square.
Yeah.
Now after simplifying that, a to the power of xy into a to the power of xy whole to the power of z is
Yeah.
equal to a square.
Okay.
Now here, as there is a to the power of xy and to a to the power of xy, it becomes a to the power of 2xy and z.
Whole raised
z
to the power of z.
whole raised to the power of z. Now it becomes a to the power of 2xyz is equal to a square.
Okay.
2 and 2 is get cancelled as and also a is the common base.
No. Explain. Here you are going wrong. First, you need to write the condition that
Yes.
since ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, since bases are common, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Since bases are common, we can equate the powers. Now bases are common, equate the powers, that is 2xyz is equal to 2. 2xyz is equal to 2. 2xyz is equal to 2. Now again, divide throughout by 2. Divide LHS and RHS by 2. Or simply can cancel this 2 and that 2. And therefore, XYZ is equal to 1. You got it? And in the bracket, you write it as, this is mathematically, you are supposed to write this, divide both LHS and RHS by 2. We get X, Y, Z is equal to 1. Hence the answer. Hence it is proved. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Anybody else who did it, please put it in the chat box. Please. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? I'll try to
I have put it in
download.
the chat.
Yeah, please. I'll download your attendance. I'm just downloading your attendance. Please wait a minute. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Any questions?